Hi everyone, and welcome to Wellness Wednesday. I'm really excited today because I'm going to share with you my winter squash soup. This is an awesome recipe, easy to do, takes a couple minutes longer than, some of the regular soups just because there's a couple extra steps, but really, really easy. So first off, we're talking about winter squash, which is kabocha, Hubbard, butternut, honey nut. They're found at the farmer's market or the grocery store. They're those really hard, round looking things near the pumpkins that probably some of you go, well, what am I gonna do with that? It's really easy. You always wanna make sure that you have a sharp knife. So you're gonna cut them in half and you're gonna roast them downside, or you're going to peel them and cube them. I do it both ways. It just depends on, how much time I have. And this soup requires roasting and then also doing your saute with your onions, your carrots, your leeks. And this is, always remember, your leeks are gonna be cut in half and you're gonna use the lightest part of the leek. But anyway, you're gonna put all of that in a pan and you're gonna saute it, and then you're gonna use vegetable broth. I make my own, but it's really easy just to go to the grocery store and buy vegetable broth in the box as well. And you're gonna simmer all of that together. The one thing that makes this soup extra special, I find, is using the Gran Marsala and the 5-spice powder. Now you use them in just pinches, but it just adds a very nice depth of flavor and the aroma just lights up your kitchen. And last but not least, we always like to use a splash of whatever wine we're pairing with that soup in the soup. And today I'd like to suggest that you might try the Thérèse Vineyards Viognier. It's a beautiful wine. It goes perfect with this soup. And it's also really nice to just sip on it while you're making the soup. So during these holidays, stay sure, strong, and steady. This is not just a day, Thanksgiving, it's the entire month. So share this with your friends and family. Thanks for all the support and have a great day. And we'll see you next week with another recipe that might help you with your Thanksgiving dinner.